Hey gang, it's Joan Robison, and I wanted to just share a couple tips with you as I'm heading out to yoga, but I know that time is very valuable to people. And one of the reasons why I love yoga is simply to get in there and breathe. Maybe you haven't experienced yoga or a practice like that, so what could you do at home that would be really instrumental to elevating your well-being? Well, one of the things is just simply learning how to breathe and being conscious of your breath. So I want you to keep in mind, we can go 3 weeks without food, 3 days without water, but we can only go 3 minutes without breath. So just for today, try taking a moment and finding some space for yourself, even if it's 1 or 2 minutes. Begin breathing in from the low belly, holding your breath up high, up top here, and then letting it out. Try doing that just 3-4 times just today by being aware that you have power through your breath. I'm off to yoga. Bye.